Here, I have some tools and spares related to 3D printing. The need I want to cover in this video is to store them. Welcome to another video of SP3D. I have designed at freecad a general-purpose storage box. I used my Bambolab X1 carbon 3D printer. I printed the box with black, green, and white PLA and black TPU. Since I have finished the printing, let me show you all the parts. The bottom case, the top cover, the inside 2 TPU parts, the 3 pins to mount the cover, the 2 clips, and the 4 pins for the clips. Now is the time to assemble the general-purpose storage box I have designed. If you like this videos and you want to watch more of them, the only thing you have to do is to follow me at socials with the name SP3D. You can find me on the following social media platforms: YouTube, TikTok, X, Twitter, and Instagram. And here it is, the general storage box fully designed. Now I will store all the things inside. In this way, I meet the need to store all these tools and spares in the general-purpose storage box I have designed. As much I show you the design at freecad, I want to inform you that you can download the STL files for the storage box for free from my account SP3D at makerworld.com. If you like this video, press subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave your comments. Stay tuned to SP3D for more videos and shorts that will come up in the future. Thanks for watching.